In this video, we will look at the IAR error MCO for residual value is not linked to the exchange. The MCO for residual value, known as a companion MCO, is issued when there's an exchange with residual, or leftover, value, and the amount cannot be returned in the form of a refund. Some airlines allow this leftover value to be transferred to an MCO or EMD to be used towards future travel. IAR will automatically link a residual value MCO or EMD into its associated exchange if you use the correct linking criteria when issuing the MCO or EMD. If you did not use the correct linking criteria, or there was an error, you can still easily link the residual value document to the exchange to create a companion exchange. The incorrect GDS format could have been used when issuing the MCO or the exchange, or a GDS error could have occurred. The new exchange document number may be missing from the MCO, or the MCO's type of service may be incorrect. If the exchange was manually added into IAR, you may have forgotten to link the MCO to the exchange. If an MCO for residual value is not linked to the exchange transaction, the MCO will appear in IAR as a straight sale, which may impact your net remittance amount for IAR if the form of payment is cash. If the form of payment is a credit card, your client would be charged for the MCO amount, and the exchange transaction itself will be processed as an exchange with refund, which could result in a debit memo if the ticket is non-refundable. If your MCO for residual value is not linked to the exchange transaction, you can easily resolve this in IAR if you are within the void modification window. Go to the exchange transaction. Under the Exchange's New Document section on the Financial Details screen, add the MCO document number. Don't forget to account for any administrative penalty fee on the Exchange Support screen if applicable. Verify the return commission on the Exchange Support screen if applicable. Let's go into IAR and take a look at an example. I'm in an exchange transaction, and I see that my exchange with residual value was loaded into IAR as an exchange with refund instead of an exchange with an MCO for residual value. Basically, the MCO is not attached to the exchange transaction. If I go to my list of transactions, the MCO is listed as a straight sale for $107.50. I will need to add it to the exchange transaction to create a companion exchange. To add the MCO to the exchange, I will type the MCO number into the Exchange's New Documents section. Once I do that, I can move to the Exchange Summary screen and see that the transaction type is now an even exchange because the MCO was added. Select the ET End Transaction button and confirm you want to end the transaction. A message then appears stating, "Commission amount is 0, document modified, exchange even." The exchange is now complete. ARC recommends that you reconcile your report daily. To learn more about ARC and its processes, visit the description below this video or use the link in the description to sign up for the ARC Specialist training. Thanks for watching.